Welcome to the short tutorial. Today we're going to talk about higher highs and lower lows.
To start off, we go with the definition of a high. So in technical analysis, we typically refer to a high when an extremum occurs that represents a local or global maxima. A global maxima is referred to as all-time high. In short, ATH. Highs can be identified in any time frame and are always relative to the time frame. Highs are the peak of an upward movement and are followed by a downward movement. Higher highs are higher than the previous high. Lower highs are lower than the previous high. What is a low? In technical analysis, we typically refer to a low when an extremum occurs that represents a local or global minima. A global minima is referred to as all-time low, or in short, ATL. Lows can be identified in any time frame, and they are always relative to the time frame. Lows are the bottom of a downward movement and are followed by an upward movement. Lower lows are lower than the previous low, while higher lows are higher than the previous low. Higher highs and higher lows are both considered bullish, as they often occur in a series and indicate a continuation of an upward trend or reversal of a downward trend. Lower highs and lower lows are both considered bearish, as they often occur in a series and indicate a continuation of a downward trend or a reversal of an upward trend.